Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, September 24th, and this is my analysis for the Euro again, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the Euro again, I mean, this whole way up, I've been saying it's all higher lows, it's all higher lows, it's all higher lows. When the market is making higher highs, higher lows, why would you go down to the sort of time frames and do anything but look for pullback entries to go long? Now, my next area of resistance is possibly this 123%, which is right around the 175 area. When it gets there, I'll definitely observe it to see if it breaks structure to the downside. If it does, I'll be more than happy to start looking for shorts. But as of right now, I am definitely only looking for longs. I'm not looking to go long right at the top of a wave, like I always say, but I am definitely looking to go long on every single one of these little pullbacks I see, especially if there's like a three-way pullback, especially if there's like a three-wave ABC pullback with a nice Fibonacci bounce. That's exactly what I would be looking for more entries to go long, at least until we get closer to that 175 area, which is that higher time frame Fibonacci level that could act as an area of resistance. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.